Hi! Do you know what my name is? Yes! That's right! I am Miss Catriona Gray, Miss Universe.
That I am confidently beautiful with a heart.
Talaga ba yan? So today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna learn statics. Yes, that's right, statics. It's like math, and it's like geometry with extra stats. Yeah. Now, we have a lot to learn, but we're gonna focus on Papa's Goldilocks theorem, centroid, center of inertia, and many more. Are you ready?
Let's go!
Yes! Problem number 1. What shape is this?
I don't know.
Shh, somewhere.
Where are you going?
Yes. What shape is that?
I don't know.
What shape is that?
It's a bird!
It's a plane!
It's Superman!
No. No, what? That's a rocket. Wet for my rocket. Yeah. Now, the problem is, how do we find the length of the stick underneath?
I don't know.
Yeah. You don't know.
Yes!
Ayaw mo pagbuot. Wala pa na introduce. So first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna find the volume of the whole shape.
Oh, yes.
Yes, that's right. The volume of the whole shape. Then, with a given density,
Okay.
we're gonna multiply it to find its weight. Yes. After we find its weight, we're gonna find
Length.
its length. Yes. Now, the problem is, how do we find the length of the stick if
what?
If the centroid or the central of mass is not to the left, it's to the right. Yeah, that makes you think, right? Yes.
Oh, yes.
Now, first, what we're gonna use is the Pappus-Goldilocks theorem. The Pappus-Goldilocks theorem is a way you find the volume of shapes using lines. Yes, using lines or areas. So the formula for this is the area of the amount of revolution. Like for a full circle, you're gonna use 2 pi. Yes, that's 2 pi. Yeah.
Yeah.
Then you multiply it to the length of the line or the area. Yes, that's right. The area of the shape. Next, after that, you multiply 2 pi, its area, and its centroid
What?
with respect to the point of the axis. Now, what is centroid? Centroid is the center. Yes. Centroid, center. Very smart. Yes. If you want the full details, search it up. Look it up. I am not here to give you a lecture. I am here because I am. Yes. Now that you know what a centroid is and how to find the volume using the Pappus-Goldilocks, that is how you find the volume. Yes. The volume of the shape. Yes. 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 Yes.
Where are you going?
Now that you found the volume, you're gonna find the mass.
Oh yes.
What's the mass? The mass. No. What you're gonna look for is the weight. You multiply the given density to the volume that you found using your Pappus-Goldinus theorem. Yes, that's right. Now that we have the formula on how to find the volume and how to find the weight, now here's the solution.
To determine the length of the stick, kung ang center of gravity sa rocket dili maglay sa A, kay pwede na to nahon og pangita ang volume for each shapes, tapos i-make use na to ang na-obtain na volume to find the weight. Let's label the parts of the rocket. For shape 1, using the Pappus-Goldinus theorem, makuha na to ang volume niya. Then, to find its weight, since weight is equals to volume times density, plug in lang nato ang nakuha nato na value ni volume 1 and ang given na density for shape 1. Now, we have the weight for shape 1. From the figure, we have the value of x for the first part. Then, i-repeat lang nato ang process for the remaining shapes. With all the values obtained, we can finally find x by summing the moments of each shapes divided by the sum of the weight for each shapes. Now, nanatay value ni x, which is 681.73113057 and negative 341.73113057. But since x is a magnitude, neglect lang nato ang negative value, so our final answer for x is 681.73113057. So that's it.
Hello, thank you. Thank you very much. Very good ka diya, Miss Rachel. Plus points ka sa ako, ha. Okay. So, ako di ay si, kailan mo ani? Kana siya si Maria Cristina Falls. Yes, ako na po siya bayet kay nung sikat naman ko si Shara Madre og slide. Yeah, day nagselos akit. Sudsad siya Sierra. Yeah, ako na pod. So, gihire ko nila diri para mag-explain kunuhay. Yeah, sakto naman tong gi-checka ni Kuan. Sakto na ang gi-checka ni Miss Rachel. Pero, kani sa problem 2, i-consider na to siya kani nga shape. I-flash na siya dira.
Wow.
Yeah, kana siya nga plate. Then, pangitaon ni mga iyang volume ug ang surface area. Nganong lahi man ang formula sa surface area ug sa volume? Ano? Lahi siya. But, lahi siya. Yeah, lahi lang gid siya. Dili na ta magbuot. Yeah. Kani siya sa kaning surface area since na naman kay nag-Cartesian coordinates naman ka, magkuan ka, magamit ka og x and y axis. Yes, so very very similar lang siya sa katong gigamit nato sa problem number 1 pero nanakay x and y axis. Yeah. Very good. So ang solution ani ipakita na ni. Okay, show your solution by yet.
To determine the volume, we will use the theorem of Pappus-Goldinus, which is V is equals to theta times R bar times A, where theta is the angle of revolution in radians, R bar is the distance between the centroid of the generating shape and the axis of revolution, and A is the area of the generating shape. Before that, we will need to find the equation of the line segment of the axis of revolution, which is the line segment from point 024 to point 240. By solving the slope of the segment and substituting a point to the equation of the line, we can get that the equation of the line segment is x plus y minus 54. Then we will solve for the centroid of the generating shape and the area of the generating shape, which is by decomposing the generating shape into 4 different types of shape, which are 2 triangles, 1 square, and 1 circle. We compute the area of each shape, the x and y coordinate of their corresponding centroid, and then we multiply the area to the x coordinate of the centroid and also multiply the area to the y coordinate of the centroid, and then repeat the process for all the shape. And then after that, we will compute the summation of the areas of all the shape, and then the summation of the product of the area of each shape and their x coordinate of the centroid, and also the summation of the product of y coordinate and the area. And then we will solve for the center of area by using the formula x bar is equals to summation of xa over summation of a, and y bar is equals to summation of ya over summation of a. And then we will solve for the r bar by using the formula for solving the perpendicular distance between a point to a line. And then we will substitute all the necessary values to the theorems of Pappus-Goldenus, and then we will get that the volume is equals to 5103.699 cubic inches. Now, to solve for the surface area, we will also use the theorem of Pappus-Goldenus, which is surface area is equals to theta times r bar times L, where theta is the angle of revolution, r bar is the distance between the centroid of the generating shape and then the axis of revolution, and then the L is the perimeter of the generating shape. The best way to solve this is to decompose the perimeter into 5 different line segments, and then solve their corresponding length, then locate their centroid, which is simply at their midpoint, and then multiply the length to the x coordinate of the centroid, and also multiply the length to the y coordinate of the centroid, and then repeat the process for the 5 different lengths. And then after that, we will solve for the summation of the lengths and also the summation of the product of length and the x coordinate, and the summation of the product of length and the y coordinate. Then we also solve for the overall centroid, or the center of the line, which by using the formula x bar is equals to summation of xl over summation of l, and y bar is equals to summation of yl over summation of l. And then we will solve for the r bar by using the formula for solving the perpendicular distance between a point to a line, and then by substituting the necessary values to the formula for surface area, we will get that the surface area is equals to 2,268.908 square inches.
In this problem, we are given a composite plate nga naay different shapes, including rectangles, triangles, and a circular hole. All dimensions kay given in inches, o giset na to ang Cartesian coordinate system nga ang origin naa sa lower left corner sa plate.
Yeah!
Ang first step kay pangitaon nato ang centroid sa whole plate by dividing the plate into simpler shapes. Ang mga cutout parts like sa circle o triangles kay i-consider nato as negative areas. Using centroid formulas, makompute nato ang overall centroid location. After that, kuhaon nato ang moment of inertia sa each shape about their own centroidal axis. Dayon, gamiton nato ang parallel axis theorem para i-shift ang moment of inertia about an axis nga parallel sa x-axis ug y-axis nga moagi sa centroid sa plate. Next, ang polar moment of inertia kay kuhaon by adding ix and iy about the centroid. And lastly, i-compute nato ang radius of gyration gamit ang relationship between moment of inertia ug total area sa plate. Thank you, that's all!